If you are wondering if you need an internet connection to use Nintendo Switch 2, then the answer is yes and no. And let me quickly explain. So if you have a Nintendo Switch 2 game card, if you have game key card, then of course you need to insert it over here into the system. However, game cards of Nintendo Switch 2 do not contain the game itself. They only contain a key that is used in order to download the game. So you will need internet connection in order to download the game. Once the game is installed, if the game can be played without the internet connection, then of course you can play the game, you can open the software, you can play the game without the access to the internet, as long as it is not an online game, of course. However, before that happens, most likely you will actually need to have the internet access in order to download the game. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.